I gotta love them. So welcome back. Might as well go ahead and pause the video here and go back and get your code from 4.9. We're going to have to use that test node stuff that we did from 4.9. So from the import all the way down to the main, we'll need that. So go grab that code and come back and I'll be here. Alright, so I grabbed mine. I've got length, insert, and print structure. So those things that we had working before. Now they want us to include pop. We had pop before. This pop is, I'm going to put it in between. So put pop a little bit after insert, because that's the logical order it goes in. Insert and then pop. Let's just knock this thing out. Pop. We've got to give it an index. Where to go get whatever it is. Pass it the head. And you know what? I'm not even going to put comments in here on this one. If index is less than 0. It's that same logic that we had before. Or index is greater than or equivalent to length head. And if it is, that's that exception we had before. We'll call this index error. Index out of bounds. I gotta work. Okay. Now, what other conditions are we going to have? Say if index is 0. Removed item equals head.data. Head equals head.next. My enter key is just not going like it needs to. That got us there. We need an else. And like before, probe equals head. And while index is greater than 1, and probe.next is not none. Same as before. Probe equals probe.next. Index minus equals 1. Alright, what have I done? Index did not return like it should have. And then While didn't return like it should have. These both got to be tabbed in. And removed item equals probe.next.data, and then probe.next equals probe.next.next almost, man. Back. Now we got our return. What we're going to return is head and removed item. And let's see how many typos I got. I got typos. And it says I'm on about line 44. If item, let me see. If index is less than 0 or index greater than or equal to length head, raise index error. That's all right. Yeah. It says length is not defined. Oh, that's why I got an L wrong. Put a little L there. Let's see if it likes that. Ran that. The head, it threw the error like it should have. Let's go see what we got. It may run. It actually did. Alright. So we did a lot of things that we did before. We just recreated them here on the linked list. So that's the last one. I will see you. Module 5.